Okay, so by now you have filled out the vital information such as titles, bullet points, description, and keywords. It's time to fill out other important fields of a product listing. So please make sure that you fill out every field that Amazon wants. Now, unlike Google, where you need to build a website from scratch, Amazon lays out exactly which data it needs. So take advantage of that and fill out every possible field. So first, when editing your product listing, go to More Details tab. Now on this page, depending on in which category are you selling, you will have many product-specific fields. Now most of these fields, as you can see, are self-explanatory. Now the first field you should enter is manufacturer suggested retail price. Now you have probably seen that almost every seller has a product price that is discounted from a much higher price, where the old price is crossed and the new current price is shown, for example like this one. Now in order to do this, you need to go to More Details tab and under the manufacturer suggested retail price, type the old price that is going to be crossed. And then you should go to Offer tab and under the Your Price field, enter your final listing price. That is the amount that the customer is going to pay for your product. Now don't confuse this with a sale price, because the sale price has a start and an end date. Also, the most important part is that Amazon fees of 15% are always calculated based on your price, not the sale price. Even though the sale price is going to be lower. So using the sale price will only get you higher commissions per unit sold. Now, once you set the discounts, let's continue with entering more details and feed Amazon with data. So like I said, most of these fields are self-explanatory and are different for every category, but make sure to enter as much information as you can. So let's say, for example, in color field, you want to enter what is the color of your product. So let's say, for example, that it's blue. Now this is very important because Amazon uses data that you enter on this page to show your product on its search results. And as you know, people frequently search products by colors. Then moving along, under the color map, you can click on the field to get color drop-down options. And then you can select another color that is relevant to your product. Okay, now if your product needs how to use instructions, then here under directions field, enter up to 500 characters on how your product should be used. So the basic how-to instructions. Then down here you can enter material type. For example, let's say that our product is made of plastic. As you can see, you can add several material types by adding more fields. Now, of course, not every field on this page is going to be relevant for your product. You can skip the ones that are simply not relevant. But make sure to read every field that you see on this page and try to include as much information as you can. Just don't spam and don't include information that is not relevant to your product. Once you're finished, simply hit Save and Finish button down here, and that's it. So let me know if you have any questions about this subject in the discussion tab of this lecture.